Good morning, gang. I've been getting this question quite a bit lately. Alan, should I continue to contribute to my 401k during this pandemic? Now, this is a loaded question, so the answer is that it depends. Now, my first suggestion would be to continue making contributions if at all possible for a couple reasons. First, if your employer offers a matching program, not taking advantage of it is like leaving free money on the table. Secondly, stocks are generally across the board lower priced now because of the virus. Contributions now will help you to pick up on some great deals. Now, if you are nearing retirement age and you do not have time on your side to recover from a stock market drop, then you should not contribute. I also know that cash flow can be an issue. So if there is absolutely no way that you can take care of your basic living expenses, then you may consider temporarily suspending contributions. Now, once your cash flow comes back, I would activate your contributions again. Now, here's the bottom line. Things may be tough now, but consistently investing over many years will boost your retirement, a retirement that your future self will thank you for. For Wake Up Today, I'm Alan Akina. See you on Thursday.